Doing a cold start on my Nissan Altima. As you can see, it's pretty deep. About a foot. We're going to get her out of here. Front tire submerged. Let's see what he'll do. Alright, the engine's going to really have trouble breathing now. It's completely submerged, the grill and all. There's the grill under about 7 inches of snow. The tire's completely submerged and I gotta get it out of this shit. Completely. You can't even see my tag. The exhaust pipes are smoking a little bit. Oh, there you have it. Cold start on a Nissan Altima in the snow.